Hey there. Today we're making a classic potato salad. It's so delicious and easy. Let's get started. First, we're going to boil 4 potatoes and 4 eggs. We're going to put the eggs in a cold bath after they're done. And then we're going to peel and chop the potatoes and add them into a nice big bowl. Then we're going to add our chopped eggs, chopped onion, red or white, and some sweet pickle relish. In a separate bowl or dish, we add our mayonnaise, mustard, vinegar, and some salt and pepper to taste, and give it a good mix. Then we're going to pour it over the potato and egg and give it a good mix. Now, if you feel it's a little too dry, go ahead and slowly add a little bit of milk, just a dash at a time, until you get a nice creamy consistency. The trick is you don't want to add too much milk because it's gonna make it soggy. Some people do not like soggy potatoes. And once you get to that consistency that you like, then you can go ahead and add fresh herbs. You can add dill, you could add anything you want to add to it. It's such a good base. It's delicious. It's such a hit in my family, and I hope you try this recipe. And if you do, let me know what you add and how you liked it. You can find the recipe down below in the description, and please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of my content. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.